Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to integrate LinkedIn to your Salesforce organization. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, you will need just to go to the setup menu and we will find it here by clicking on this gear icon. By clicking, we will find the setup menu and we go to the setup. So from here, all you need to do is just to search for LinkedIn in the quick find search bar. So here we type LinkedIn and basically we will find the LinkedIn Sales Navigator. And by that, you will be able to connect your LinkedIn Sales Navigator to your Salesforce. So from here, you will need just to have the Sales Navigator integration that will be on, and you will need just to agree on these terms. So after clicking on accept, you will be able to connect your LinkedIn to your sales navigator, and of course you will need to have your LinkedIn sales navigator accounts. So after having an account of LinkedIn sales navigator, you can have one by just going to LinkedIn uh, sales navigator and you can have your own account or you can have your own plan, etc. And then you will have it here by clicking on OK, and you will be able to connect it to your Salesforce organization. And by doing that, you will go just to go LinkedIn settings in your LinkedIn sales navigator. You go to your account settings, and then it will redirect you directly where you can have the permission or allow the permission for the connection between Salesforce to Sales Navigator, and you will be able to successfully have your LinkedIn integrated with your Salesforce. So basically and simply, those are the steps to follow. Thank you for watching and see you next time.